guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Swastika, and in this video I will be discussing with you why political science is one of the most sought out after courses, why is it one of the most popular courses, and why you should definitely go in for it in case you get admission into the course. But before I get into the nitty-gritties and before I get into the details, I just want to say two things. The first thing is that if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. That's going to be a great help. And the second thing I want to say is that in case you are somebody who feels that this video is going too fast or it's going too slow or I'm speaking too fast, then I request you to sort of adjust the playback speed of the video according to your need. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So the first thing that comes to my mind whenever someone says political science and links it with the popularity of the subject is that this subject is slowly garnering attention not just in India but also globally. So basically it's increasing in its popularity rankings because a lot of people from across the globe are in fact opting for this subject. The trend is of course seen in India as well, more prominently so in the northern parts of India, but slowly and steadily the subject is increasingly becoming popular in the rest of the world as well. So before I get into the reasons as to why this subject is becoming popular and what are the reasons as to why it's becoming one of the most sought out after courses, I want to first give you a brief definition of what exactly we do in political science. So what happens is that if you are somebody who's interested in the workings of the state and you're interested in the workings of the government agencies, then political science is the perfect subject for you because it revolves essentially around the government and the state agencies. So after getting a theoretical knowledge of the subject through your studies in political science, which of course, as I've stated, revolve around the state, you move on to the practical aspect of it, which deals with the implementation, which we see most dominantly in the forms of governance and governance systems, which are almost different in every country. So this is a very interesting subject because political science is not something which is stable across the globe. It fluctuates and differentiates according to geographical space. Politics, as we understand in India, is very different from how we understand in USA. Yet, the basic structure of, let's say, governance or the basic principles of how we are to govern or what are the ethics behind governance sort of remain uniform. And I think studying that high tide and that low tide and that fluctuation, uniformity and the differentiation that happens across geographical space is something that's very interesting. So without any further ado, let's delve into the reasons as to why this subject is getting popular and why increasingly so in India and especially North India. So the first reason that I came across for that obviously is that it prepares you for a variety of careers. This means that if you have a political science degree, you can diversify into a plethora of different places and different careers that you can explore. This means that with a political science degree, you can get into law, you can get into international affairs, you can also get into political science and get a PhD in it and become a professor. You can also delve into government affairs, you can start understanding the bureaucratic apparatus. So a lot of options are available to you after doing this subject. The second reason why politics is such an important subject and why it's sought out after at such a large scale is because there are two essentially things that you can do after it that people predominantly do and have traditionally done, though that trend is changing. So the two important things that people enjoy doing after a course in political science is A, research, and B, activism. So research obviously means that you want to delve deeper into the subject, you want to get to know more things, and after gathering the theoretical information about that subject, you want to come to a hypothesis that can somehow help the practical implementation of that subject. And I think that's very interesting. So getting to know the subject in a deeper manner and taking that deep dive is essentially what research is all about, and coming to new theories, new hypotheses, and for the betterment of people, of course. The second thing that people predominantly do after a degree in the subject is activism. So, activism is, of course, linked to the idea that you try to influence other people with new ideas about that discipline, and that can take any form. So, these are the two essentially things that we spoke about. And the last thing that I'm going to talk about that is strictly related to the Indian case is, of course, UPSC. So, a lot of students and a lot of aspirants take political science and they study political science with the UPSC paper in mind. So, for the ones who don't know what UPSC is, it's basically how you get into the bureaucracy in India, how you become a permanent executive in India, a part of that chain of systems, and how you do that is an interesting course. But a lot of people who actually get into the government agencies, who get into bureaucracy, who clear the paper, in fact take political science, and that is one of the reasons why it's that popular. So I think that was it for today. I've given you a couple of reasons, I've spoken about the discipline, I've given you a definition, and I hope you guys like the video. In case you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching.